Okay, Tuesday afternoon. This is what the room looks like. Got the ceiling all hung and everything. We got it all done, taped and floated. We got the first and second coat. They got to come back tomorrow. We'll do one coat. We're actually pulling about the paper every night. Still have fans going everywhere just in case, even though the moisture meter says it's dry. We're in here, got all this taped and mudded. It's just drying out a little bit more. Same in this room. A bit more wet over there, but it'll get dry. Then back to this area. Okay, going into the kitchen. All the tape came off, no marks on the walls. It's all set up. It's all ready for pictures tomorrow. There's no tape on the walls, no ripped paint. All the staging's where she left it. Okay guys, tomorrow the cabinet guy comes. He does cabinet bottom in the island, and then he does baseboard downstairs, and we're still on for Thursday for the painter, and then Friday, Saturday for the floor finisher. Bye bye.